If you are worried about speaking English, you click the right link. This is your good lesson. Just read and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Repeat after me a day in my life. My name is Nora. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I smile. I say thank you, God. I hear birds singing. I sit up in bed. I say good morning, world. I hear my mom's voice. She says, Nora, breakfast. Soon I say, okay. Mom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I look nice. Then I say good morning to my family. I hug my mom. I hug my dad. I give a high five to my little brother Jack. Jack laughs and runs. He is funny. I kiss Grandma's hand. She smiles and says, God bless you. I feel happy. We sit together for breakfast. Mom makes eggs and toast. Dad pours orange juice. Grandma brings fresh fruit. We all say, let's eat. We eat and talk. Jack tells a silly joke. We all laugh. Laughing is good. I say, thank you, Mom. Mom smiles. She says, always eat with love. We clean the table together. Teamwork is nice. Family is love. After breakfast, I study. I open my book. I read English words. Dad comes to help. He says, let's read together. We read line by line. Dad claps for me. Then Jack brings his notebook. He says, teach me, Nora. I teach him colors. He learns fast. I feel proud we learn together. We grow together, Mom says. Let's clean the house. I say, yes, Mom. We play music. We sweep the floor. We fold clothes. We clean windows. Mom teaches me a song. We sing and clean. Cleaning becomes fun. Mom says, clean hands, clean heart. I smile. After cleaning, I sit with Grandma. She tells me a story. It's about a smart girl. The girl works hard. The girl helps people. Grandma says that girl is like you. I feel special. I hug her. She hugs me back. I say, thank you, Grandma. She says, always be kind. We go outside. Dad says time to move. We stretch. We jump. We run. Jack falls down. He laughs and gets up. Dad says, never give up. I repeat, never give up. We all clap. Exercise makes us strong. Together we shine. Lunchtime with love. Mom cooks lunch. It smells great. We all sit at the table. Dad says a short prayer. We eat rice and chicken. Grandma gives us salad. Jack spills juice. We all laugh again. Mom says it's okay. Just clean it. No anger, just love. Lunch is tasty. Lunch is warm. Lunch is family time. After lunch, Grandma rests. I sit near her. She shows me old photos. She tells me stories from the past. I listen with care. I say, wow, Grandma, you were so pretty. She laughs still, and we laugh together. She says, always remember your roots. I nod. I understand. Dad works from home. He lets me watch him. He types fast. He answers calls. I ask, what do you do? He says, I help people with their work. He smiles and says one day, you will do big things too. I feel inspired. I want to learn more. I say, thank you, Dad. He says, anytime. My star evening comes. Mom makes tea. She gives milk to Jack. We sit on the floor. We talk about our day. We tell good things. We tell small problems. Grandma says, talking helps the heart. She is right. We feel close. Evening tea is calm. Evening tea is love. At night we talk about dreams. I say, I want to be a teacher, Mom, says a great one. Jack says, I want to be a pilot. Dad says, fly high, my boy. Grandma says, I just want hugs. We all laugh. We all dream. Dreams bring hope. Family gives strength. Before bed, I say goodnight. I hug my mom. I hug my dad. I pat Jack's head. I kiss Grandma's hand. Then I go to my room. I write in my notebook. Today, I learned with love. Today, I grew with family. I feel peace. I feel safe. I feel strong. I lie down. I look out the window. Stars shine above. I say softly, thank you, God, for my family. I smile. I